Reverie family, it's Mel with Style Curve. I am back in the fitting room in Naperville, back at you today to talk more about dresses and jumpsuits. I don't know about you, I'm hopeful. If I look a little golden, I just came off a vacation. I hope you are headed on one too if you haven't already taken your spring break. So I'm going to talk to you today like I'm packing. These are the things that would go in my suitcase for a trip. They're great pieces that will last all through spring and into summer. First up, first outfit, this is by BB Dakota. This is the Catch My Shift dress. She is beautiful. Things I love about this dress, it is a deep V, which you know I love. It's got this great little flutter sleeve to it, which is super flattering right around the arms. It is a true shift. It hits just an inch or two above my knee. It has pockets, so it's incredibly comfortable. My favorite real thing though is that this is lined. So I have just typical undergarments on today. I didn't even have to worry about it. They look great. You don't have to wear any special undergarment. It's very bra friendly. You can wear your favorite bra and it's gonna look fantastic. I'm thinking this dress is an easy day dress, but something you can still take out to dinner. And I think dinner is all about the way you put on the accessories. So I will start up here and work my way down. I put on these beautiful hoop earrings. I'll get kind of close and personal so you can see. This is the Cora wire wrapped hoops. They are adorable. And I think they're a great going out to dinner earring. I left the chest nice and open. Hopefully you've got a little glow. Let that shine against the white. And then I put on the Maisie bracelets. They come in sets of 3. This one is the really pretty yellow and khaki and white. They also come in some gray and white options. And I have on 2 stacks. So the one little set will get you 3. And I've layered them up, the Maisie bracelet. Then I also put on just a little stack of rings. So this is the Goldie ring stack, yeah. And so I put those on as well. And I just think the accessories are what's gonna get you into the evening. Shoes, let me pull this one up here. I have on Dolce Vita. This is the Raffia sandal. Gosh, don't you love the bottom? It's like so sad you can't even see that once you get the shoe on. But it's a nice little just braided jute. Super, super easy, just a little bit of a heel for you. And this I think is fantastic. If you want a little height, I know for me, sometimes I like a little height in my shift dresses too. I would get the Cameron in the Sorel. If you haven't already, again, nice little jute pattern, but it pulls in the black. And I think that would be great going out to dinner as well. All right, that was look number 1. Let me get on number 2. Okay, look number 2. My next favorite to a knit dress, a knit jumpsuit. This one is by Z Supply. It is the Summerland. The color code on it is called Wash Black, but I gotta tell you, I put on a little black Cosabella bralette underneath, and so this is true black. This really reads deep gray to me, but just know when you go to purchase that it's called Wash Black. So fun, midi length, okay, so it hits me kind of mid-calf, really easy. I actually have on the medium. I think it fits true to size. I think it's just personal preference, right? When you wear these oversized jumpsuits, if you want to go all in on the trend, I would buy true to size. For me, especially being on the curvy side, more of a size 10, 12, I just feel a little bit more comfortable in these if they fit me a little bit more. It's not bra friendly. I really would encourage you to wear like a little bralette or a little tank top underneath. What is friendly though are adjustable straps. So I was able to play with, you know, how much cleavage I wanted to show. If you want to wear this out to dinner and give yourself kind of a little bit of a longer drape, you absolutely can. So you definitely get to play with where it hits you on your chest. You just want to think about what undergarment you're wearing. I'm kind of layering this up with a jacket. I'm going to show you, kind of thinking out to dinner, on vacay, out to dinner, hopefully on a patio somewhere, having a glass of wine. But anyway, if you want to wear it daytime, I think it would be great just with a little white tank top underneath. You could do some Freedom Moses sandals with it. Definitely something that would get you through a day outfit as well. So I pulled this Sanctuary Bomber. It's the Havana Fever. And I just think she pairs really beautifully with this deep gray. It's super lightweight. So it's just that little layer piece that you need if you're doing air conditioning, you know, for dinner. I kind of ruche up this sleeve. It's got this great piping that gives her that bomber look. Kind of stand back so you can see So just a really great piece. This is a super pretty kind of a camo, and it's got blush and it's got light gray and a deep gray. Again, it's just a really pretty pairing. Because this has such a strong print to it, again, I chose not to do a necklace, but I did put in just a little paper clip earring. I love these, so on trend, and they come in a pack. So this is the Elliot earring pack, and you get 3. You get this little paper clip, you get a nice little small hoop, and then she's super fun. This is actually a little lightning bolt, kind of playing off of that trend. These packs are fantastic. They're $38. You get 3 earrings. They're just a wonderful value. I kind of kept it cash, and so the shoe I've got on is our Sam Edelman Annalisa. It's just that platform sandal. I've been wearing this one a lot. She's super chic, but she's also just incredibly comfortable. Okay, that was look number 2. Let me get the last look on. Okay, I saved the best for last. The Reverie dress, Z Supply. She's back in stock. You've got to get one of these. I've had this in my closet now for a couple years, and it is my go-to. And if you're in warm weather, you're wearing this thing right now. But what I really love about this dress is that if you are in cold weather, like myself in Illinois, it's 50 degrees today, and we're going to see the 60s over the weekend. This will be one of the first spring dresses that you get yourself into, because it is so easy to pair with a denim jacket, to put with sneakers. If it's not quite warm enough to get into your sandals, it's just the perfect dress. Z Supply Reverie dress, $69. You need to get one of these. Did you watch Meg this week? She did a reels on this, and just adorable. Showed you all the ways to style it. I'll go in a little bit closer so you can kind of see your colorways here. We've got this lime green, great tie-dye, black and white stripe. This is a coral with a little bit of a tie-dye at the bottom. And then you've got your go-to standard colors, your olive, your navy, and then I've got on the black. Okay, let's talk about how I've chose to style it. So I am thinking Reverie dress, kind of out running errands, or if you're on vacay, like what's that? Going around to museums, doing all the things. So I've layered it with a denim jacket. This just came in, and this is going home with me today. So this is cut. It's the Cara denim jacket, super washed out, fits really like a shirt. And then it has a raw hem here. I just love it. Did really dark buttons here, and just super, super fun. I'm in an extra large. I will tell you, if you're buying cut jean jackets this year, they run a smidge on the small side. So I would normally be in a large, but I'm taking an extra large in this, and I just love it. I've popped on my Think Royland. This is the navy, and then it's got a great strap. It's got navy, black, and a pop of white and gray. Just really sporty. And I thought, do the navy, because I also pulled out these Think Moses slides, $50 if you have not picked up a pair. Sustainable materials. They are easy on the go. Faux strap to them. You just slip them on. Everything from go-to flip-flops to pool slides. They're fantastic. But I just thought this is kind of fun. In the blues and the tie-dye, and then back to the Think Royland. I thought it was a great pairing. Okay, last on the accessories, I went back. Do you remember the Macy's that I had on with the BB Dakota dress? They come in yellow. They also come in this gray. I took off my rings, kept on a simple earring, definitely thinking day, sporty look. So let's talk about this dress for a minute though, because I want you to see it. I would be shocked if you have not seen the Reverie. But it's great. It's just your standard V-neck, super bra friendly. Again, this is the black. I'm in a large, fits totally true to size. But what I think is really fun is kind of this handkerchief bottom to it. So it's super flattering on all body types. Again, if you haven't caught Meg's reel, check hers out. She shows you different ways to style it, all the way from denim jackets to knotting it, to layering things underneath. So it's just a great go-to look. Okay, are you vacation ready? Are you ready for spring? Are you ready for summer? Check us out at evereve.com or come into our stores to get styled and have some fun. See you soon.